According to the scholars, when you see believers, that is in the book of Acts chapter 16 verse 31. They are believers or believes in Jesus Christ as Savior, accepts the truth of the gospel, has faith in Him. Believing is starting point of the Christian life. Nagsisimula siya. A follower of Jesus Christ are those actively obeys. Ulitin natin. Followers are those who actively obeys, imitates, and lives according to Jesus' teachings. Naniwala siya, the believers or the followers believe, imitate, obey. Actively obey. Why I'm talking this one? Because we need to reflect on that. Who are we? Are we believers of Jesus Christ or are we followers and believers?